Hello friends. Today I want to show you the Infographic Elements. This is an animated template for PowerPoint. When it is time to give a presentation to people, you must be ready and your slides must be well prepared. If you want to grab all the attention of people, you should make your slides bright and eye-catching. Use the following Infographic Elements template to improve the design of your PowerPoint or Google Slides presentation. On the master slide, you can see an illustration of a world map and 4 dialog clouds of different colors. Every dialog cloud stands for an option. So in general, you have 4 text placeholders for your own content. The background can be either white or blackcolored. You can change the title and subtitle easily and enter your own text content. This template is available in many formats and is applicable to work in different programs for creating professional presentations. This is the best solution for improving the general look of your slides. All graphics in this template are fully editable. Easy change any color with using the color schemes in PowerPoint. You can download this template for free at the link in description below. Please press the like button if you like this template, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.